Hi, I'm Olga and this is my presentation for the New Technologies final project. Okay, so here below you can see what I'm going to talk about now. I'm going to talk about my group, the interface, the Wikispace interface, how was the process of the creation of the wiki, and my evaluation. Okay, so first of all, working with my team, it was great. I worked with Alison and Lucia working in a primary didactic unit. So we have to bear in mind clear concepts, use of technology for the new technology class, and also how to combine culture of a myth, of a legend, that it was the Loch Ness Monster legend, and also how to do it through another class using second language. Okay? So, working with Alison and Lucia, it was great. I think that we have done all the same things. We have improved our problem-solving skills, and we have helped each other, so it was great. The interface. Well, I have a few things to say. I never used it before. So it was, at the very beginning, it was quite hard, and it seems to be friendly, but at the very beginning it wasn't. So with time, I started to understand it and to use it better. So a few things that I didn't know how to use at the very beginning, it was to upload files, to work with tables, to do charts. I think that are not good. In fact, you have to upload a table if you want to make it really visual. And I think that the tools to change the text are not so visual and so intuitive. Well, Alison make us organizers too, so we have to have less problems to delete things, to change names of the pages and so on. Well, what I find easy? I find it easy to link pages, web pages and other web pages, and pages of the wiki. And it was great because you can just move around and just put blue things, and you just click and go to another page, and it's really useful and quick. To add pages, this is the home page. So this is our wiki, and these are our lessons that we have created. So these lessons, these names, we cannot change if we were not organizers. So let's move on. The process. How was the process? Well, Alison created a wiki. We made a WhatsApp group to organize ourselves, but I saw that there were things that we were missing, we were forgetting, so I decided to create a Trello organizer. I don't know how to say it. I could say it to you right now. Yep. So this is. So we made two lists: to-do list and done list. So you can just move it. So for example, when I finish this, I just put it here at the bottom, and that means that I finished. We have discussed the problems that we found. We made checklists to make sure that all of us, we have made our job, and it was great. So going back to our wiki, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. I think that the previous organization of the members is really important, and that the members understand how the wiki spaces works. Yeah, because otherwise it takes a lot of time to do it. More things. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you how is the wiki structured. Okay, this is the home page. Okay, as you can see, this is Alison's lessons. This is mine, social science lessons, natural science, and at the end we decided to create a final project. So all of our content and the language that we have used, it's connected to create something new. Okay, so this is my first page where I use Tony Busan's mind map, and it's really visual. And I also create a test lesson where I upload all the technological web pages, tools that I use it to create my lessons. So the parents can check everything that the kids are doing, and the kids can also review what they are learning. So I think it's really useful. So for example, I'm going to show you really quickly. I use videos on YouTube. I create 2 clusters only using pictures because I have to adapt it to the first level, the first graders. I create PowerPoints so the kids, we can play in the class. I also create games with study stack. So here you can see all the games that you can play with the words that I typed there. Videos, a Quizlet, really interesting to assess, to know that their kids are learning. Games, maps, more videos, more. I think that listening it's really useful for them to understand. So well, great, it was great. So in conclusion, I think that the wiki it's great. I think that it's really friendly at the end to use it. You can change the appearance to customize the web page. So for example, yesterday I changed the colors. You can upload pictures, you can put links, games, you can highlight words that you think that are really important for the teacher that check the planning. And well, I think that I hope to use it in the future because I think we work really hard and it's really visual, useful, quick for everything. I mean, if I'm sick, another teacher can just teach and make a substitution and teach whatever I'm doing because it's all there. One thing that I haven't mentioned is that this wiki is focused for teachers because of our students are first graders, but I really want to know how this works with students, with real students, and of course if I'm teaching primary, to teach 5th and 6th graders, for example. So they can go in there, write their homework, talk with me. I think that communication between teacher and student is really important, and I think that it would be really, really useful. So that was all. Thank you very much, and I hope you like it. Bye!